Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Chinese gaming firms, including Tencent Holdings Limited and NetEase Inc., were summoned by Chinese government officials, a further bad sign for the future of the gaming industry in China. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said Britain's economic bounce back from its COVID-19 lockdowns was showing some signs of a slowdown, and he was concerned about the problems facing companies trying to fill vacancies. Private equity firm 10T Holdings has raised $750 million for its first fund to pursue investments in fast-growing cryptocurrency companies.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision at 11:45 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 600 GMT. Germany's trade balance will be released at 600 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision at 11:45 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.